Hello, my name is Carl G. Seward. My pronouns are they, them, and I am the Emerging and Immersive Technology Librarian for the Max Chambers Library at UCL. I work here in the Innovation Studio, which is our library makerspace. This is a place where we provide tools for students, faculty, and staff to create the things that they want and need. When we talk about the studio, we tend to focus on the equipment. We tend to talk about things like our 3D printers, like our laser cutter, like the VR setups that we have. But I want to really focus on the idea of solving problems, of creating solutions, of giving people what they need to accomplish their goals. So whatever a student might need for an assignment, or whatever a faculty member might need for a demonstration, we want to provide those things to anyone who needs them. And virtually everything here in the studio is free to all students, faculty, and staff at UCL. So I invite you to come down and take a look at things. Reach out to us. If there's something that you need, we can figure out how to make that happen.